In the last few months, New York has faced troubling times. On Monday, May 18th, from 7 to 9 p.m., the culture will come together. KACHE and Life of Hope have teamed up with leaders and entertainers in our Caribbean community to bring you a celebration of hope. The virtual AYITI TOUJOU Haitian Heritage Flag Day celebration. Broadcasting live exclusively on the AYITI TOUJOU Facebook Live page with performances by HMI Zone Alain Kave, Bitova Obas, Mika Ben, legendary vocalist Emeline Michel, Darlene Desca, and more. With your financial support, this celebration and all proceeds from this event will go to providing support to the undocumented community in the COVID-19 recovery effort. This Monday evening, May 18, from 7 to 9 p.m. with special message from some of our elected officials, including the Mayor of New York, Bill de Blasio, sponsored by NYS Assemblywoman Matilde Frontis, Union 9 TV, and the law offices of Joel Antoine. Donate at COVID-19 Immigrant Relief Program or log on to LOHNYC.org.